Daguerreobase is a public platform of archives, libraries, museums, and private contributors from across Europe. Daguerreobase assembles and preserves information on daguerreotypes. It aims to bring together digital images and descriptions of more than 25,000 European historical daguerreotypes and related literature. Daguerreobase is a unique research tool for daguerreotypes, not only for scientists, but also for collectors, photographers, and the general public. In Daguerreobase you will see amazing historical pictures made by the first photographers in Europe, and you will find quality images of daguerreotypes in a common database. The database will teach you how to recognize these unique objects and how to share them with the public at large. The content will also become available through Europeana, the portal and digital library for European cultural heritage of the European Union. In 2014, Daguerreobase and Europeana will celebrate the 175th birthday of photography with a virtual exhibition of European daguerreotypes on their website. Currently 18 partners from 13 different European countries are working together: institutions, private collectors, and photograph conservators. The project is partially funded under the ICT Policy Support Program, ICT-PSP, as part of the Competitiveness and Innovation Framework Program by the European Community. Belgium, Fotomuseum Provincie Antwerpen, FONMUD. Austria, Instituut voor Papierregistrering Schloss Schoenbrunn, IPR. Belgium, EDAV Ideas. Czech Republic, Národní Technik Museum. Denmark, the Royal Library, the National Library and Copenhagen University Library. Finland, the Finnish Museum of Photography, FMP. France, Atelier de Restauration et de Conservation de Photographies de la Ville de Paris, ARCP. Germany, Museum Ludwig/Stadtkult. Germany, Technische Sammlung in Dresden, Dresden. Italy, SMPD Sandra Maria Petrillo. Luxembourg, Ministère de la Culture. Norway, National Library of Norway. Norway, University of Bergen. Spain, Universitat Politècnica de Valencia. Netherlands, Stichting Netherlands Photo Museum. Netherlands, Picture BV. Netherlands, Ordelie Marinus Jan/daguerreotypist, Mopt. United Kingdom, Museum Conservation Services Ltd.